clean break. It's an even break as well. Elaine Thompson is on one. Shelley Fraser Price is blind. Veronica Cameron has work to do. Elaine Thompson has the lead. Elaine Thompson pulls away and wins it in 10:72. Wow! She has destroyed that field to 100 outside the Jamaican National Record.
10:70.
She has equaled the Jamaican record, and it's a 1-2-3 for the MVP group. And Veronica Cameron, reminiscent of 2008, has been shut out of the top 3 again in the 100 meters. Wow! She equals the Jamaican record. What a performance!
I told you she could run much faster, and I also said that we could find some changing of the guards here. One of the Olympic champions has been shot out of the 100 meters, just like 2008, but we do have quality representatives to go to here.
Personal best for Elaine Thompson, 10:70. Personal best for in third place, Christania Williams, 10:97. Her first time sub-11. She's lucky number 13. She's the 13th woman in history, in Jamaican history, to go sub-11. Shelley and Fraser Price, a season best, 10:93. Her pocket rocket start served her well. She may very well be crying right now. Amazing. Elaine Thompson is now the 4th fastest woman in the 100 meters in the history of the world.
Here we go. Here's another look at it. It's not much at the start. Fraser Price is out well in 7. Elaine Thompson, though, distinguishes herself midway the race. Look at BCB. She's all the way at the back.
Look at this finish. This is how you run the 4th fastest time in the history of the world. Elaine Thompson, 10:70. Shelley Ann Fraser Price proves the champion she is, makes her 3rd Olympic team. She celebrates, and then Christania Williams delivers on the long-awaited promise, 10:97. So 11, lucky number 13, Christania Williams.
Wow.
Wow.
What a moment. Veronica Cameron, 2008.